You know when you're 40 and you don't look 40? That's the vibe we want. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you back again. In today's video, we're going to be having a chat about anti-aging serums that get the job done. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my absolute favorite serums, and also I'll be sharing some tips on how to get the best out of your serums and also how to choose the best serum for yourself. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, then you want to keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of the product recommendation and all of that, what anti-aging serums are, they are basically concentrated serums that contains active ingredients that would target and combat signs of anti-aging. These anti-aging serums, they will help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, plump your skin, even out your skin tone, and also help to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. So when shopping for anti-aging serums, there are some ingredients you really need to look out for, because not all serums are actually anti-aging serums and not all anti-aging serums are actually formulated equally. So the key ingredients you need to look out for, one is hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid will actually help to plump your skin and hydrate your skin and give you that intense hydration that your skin deserves. Secondly, you need to look out for retinol. Retinol is very important, very effective when it comes to anti-aging. Retinol will help to stimulate collagen and elastin production. It will also promote cell turnover, which is very important as well. Thirdly, you need to look out for peptides. Peptides are also very important. They will help repair damaged skin barrier. They will help promote cell turnover and also stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. All of these are very important. Lastly, you need to look out for antioxidants. Antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, niacinamide, resveratrol. These antioxidants, amongst other antioxidants, actually will help protect you from the free radicals that you get from the environment. And these free radicals, they cause premature aging. There are lots of other ingredients that you also need to look out for, like bakuchiol and some others, but we're just going to stick with these ones for this video. The first serum I have for you guys today is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. If you're Rex on this channel, you will know that I love CeraVe brand. I love that the brand makes effective products. This serum is actually a gentle but yet effective serum that is formulated with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and retinol. The hyaluronic acid in this serum will help to hydrate your skin, plump your skin. When your skin is plump, it will help reduce the visible signs of fine lines and wrinkles. The retinol in this serum will help to smooth out the visible fine lines and wrinkles, will help to promote cell turnover, will help to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. You remember what I said about collagen and elastin, how important they are, especially if you're trying to combat signs of aging. If you don't, you need to check out my video where I mentioned how important elastin and collagen is. It also has niacinamide. I forgot to mention that earlier. And niacinamide will help to soothe the skin and also brighten your skin. And also ceramides in this serum will help to repair your damaged skin barrier. So the benefit you're going to get from this product is that it will help to improve your skin texture, to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It will help to promote cell turnover. It will help to lock in moisture into your skin, hydrate your skin, make your skin plump, brighten your skin, and also repair your skin's barrier in case your skin's barrier is actually damaged, because it is very important to have a healthy skin barrier, because this will contribute greatly to your skin's elasticity, your skin's firmness, and fading out the visible fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. It is fragrance free, it is non-comedogenic, meaning it will not clog your pores, and it is dermatologically tested. This product is absolutely amazing. It also comes in an airless pump bottle. This is what an airless pump bottle looks like. It is actually different from what a dropper bottle looks like. This is a dropper bottle, and it is safe for all skin types. It retails for around 16,000 naira, maybe more or maybe less. depends on where you're getting it from. The next product I have for you guys today is the Paula's Choice 0.3% retinol, 2% bakuchiol, peptide and vitamin C. This product is a powerhouse, guys. It is packed full with beautiful, amazing ingredients, all packed in one product. It contains 0.3% retinol, which will help to smooth out your visible fine lines and wrinkles, promote cell turnover, increase collagen production. It also contains bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is actually like a derivative for retinol, and when these two products are paired together, retinol and bakuchiol, they give you mind-blowing results. When they are paired together, they actually work better to enhance each other's effectiveness, and this product has both the bakuchiol and retinol. Fantastic. It also contains peptides, and peptides will help to firm up your skin, to prevent sagging, improve your skin elasticity, and also promote cell turnover and increase the production of collagen and elastin. It also contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that will help to brighten your skin and prevent free radicals that you get from the environment from actually causing premature aging. You see why I say this product is actually amazing? It is packed full with great anti-aging ingredients that will give you that radiant, young looking skin. It has a lotion like texture, and it is fragrance free, non-comedogenic as well, and it comes in an LS pump bottle like the CeraVe one I mentioned earlier. It is quite pricey, but I would say it is worth every penny. The last serum I have for you guys today is the Innisfree Retinol Sticker Moisture Serum. This product is actually from a Korean brand, and I've actually used some products from this brand and they were absolutely amazing. So this product actually contains retinol, which will help to promote cell turnover, increase collagen production, elasticity, firmness and all of that, and also your skin texture, help with your skin texture. It also contains Sika, and Sika will help to hydrate and soothe your skin to give you that plumpness, and also soothe your skin in case of any irritation from any of the ingredients. It also contains niacinamide, which will help to brighten your skin, soothe your skin, and also with vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. This product will help to protect you from the free radicals that you get from the environment. Lastly, it contains salicylic acid, which will help to gently exfoliate your skin and clear out your pores, revealing a smoother, younger, firmer looking beautiful skin. It comes in an LS pump like the others. It is fragrance free and non-comedogenic. I promise to share some tips on how you can get the best out of your anti-aging serums, right? And tip number one is actually, you don't necessarily have to wait till you get to the age where your skin starts showing that visible signs of fine lines, wrinkles. I'm in my 20s right now, and already I've incorporated anti-aging creams into my routine. I have my anti-aging cream, I have bakuchiol in my routine, I also have my antioxidants, and I never skip my sunscreen. So it is best to start early so you can get the best benefit out of all these products, not waiting till the time where your skin is already sagging and you start using this product. No, prevention is actually better than cure. So let's start preventing all of these anti-aging signs now, so that when you get to that age, you will not look that age. When you're 40 and you don't look 40, that's the vibe we want. So you have to start early. And tip number two is you should always use sunscreen, especially when you are using this kind of product, because products with an ingredient like retinol will actually make your skin more sensitive and actually increase your chances of getting sunburn or sun related damage. So you have to always use your sunscreen, so that this way you're protecting yourself from any free radical or sunburn or any sun related damage, so you can get the most out of your serum. If you're not protecting yourself during the day and you're using your retinol, you're actually doing more damage to your skin, honestly, because imagine you use your retinol serum at night, right? Or you use your anti-aging serums at night, then you go out during the day and not protect yourself. You're doing more damage because your skin is more sensitive. It has higher chances of getting sunburn and all of that. And last tip I have for you guys is actually, before incorporating any of these anti-aging serums into your routine, always patch test. Why? Because a lot of people actually react to retinol, a lot of people. So it is best to patch test, so you know if it's actually irritating for your skin before you just incorporating it into your routine and maybe, you know, worsen your skin issue or even damaging your skin barrier. Not just your anti-aging serum, like any new skincare products that you have, it is best to patch test, so you are sure that, oh, my skin is actually okay with this product. So when choosing an anti-aging serum, you don't just go out there and pick out any serum. No, it is best to like choose a serum that is best for your skin type, and you know, this way you will get like the best benefit out of that serum. Like, let's say for example, if you have sensitive skin, you need to opt for serums that contain like less ingredients, like less concentration of these ingredients, so this way they are not irritating to your skin. And also look out for anti-aging serums that also have like soothing ingredients in it, so it will help to like soothe the skin and calm any form of irritation that wants to like, you know, occur. While if you have dry skin, you need to look out for serums that would, you know, have ingredients like hyaluronic acid that will help to like hydrate your skin and give you that enough hydration that your skin deserves. Let's not forget that consistency is actually the key in your skincare journey. If you're not consistent, you ain't gonna see any result, baby girl. Don't be like someone that will do their skincare routine today and skip it and till next year, maybe on New Year, you remember, oh, I haven't done my skincare routine. No, we don't do all of that on this channel, right? We're all about consistency, and you know, so we can get the best results and youthful, glowing looking skin. And also ensure to eat healthy, not just junks. Eat vegetables, take your proteins. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram at Ganniyatabubakar and also on TikTok at Ganniyatabubakar. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share my videos with your friends and families. If you have any videos you want me to shoot for you, please feel free to leave the video topic in the comment section below, and be sure I'll shoot the video for you. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in this video. Don't go away.